Just doing a quick unboxing video. New pair of shoes I got, the TADEEVO, and just walked back to the house and saw that FedEx just dropped this off. So haven't even opened them up. But here's the thing, so you order a pair of sneakers or shoes, right? This is the actual shoebox that these come in. Yeah. And there they are. So this is the style and the color that I got. I'm actually wearing right now these, but I did not do an unboxing video on these. I had forgotten about it. So I've had these for about 5 months now. There's absolutely like no wear to them, but my God, they're super comfortable. I just want to get another pair for a different color. But look at, they're just like super flimsy, but very well put together. As far as barefoot shoes go, these are definitely the most comfortable ones that I've walked in and ran in and everything. So, but yep, it's exactly how they, advertise them. But unlike some of the other minimalist shoes come with an extra insert in the inside, like Zero shoes and other ones. These do not. So you get what you get. But that's it.